What's up, 7th graders? Mr. Morris here again. And happy Earth Day. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. Right now I'm standing in Riverside Park along the Milwaukee River. As I've already told you, when we're away from school, I am trying to stay sane by getting outside, enjoying time in outdoor spaces. This is one of my favorite places in the city of Milwaukee. I think it's so peaceful and so beautiful, and we're really fortunate to be able to enjoy outdoor spaces. Today's Earth Day, and I wanted to share some information that I was just reading about Earth Day and sort of the news about how coronavirus is affecting our environment. And so today, Wisconsin Public Radio actually reported that since the governor told us to stay home, there has been a 40% decrease in the number of cars that are driving in the state of Wisconsin. And I want you to use that information. We've done a couple of practice activities over the last couple of weeks about finding percents using percents. So I want you to use that percent that there has been a 40% decrease in the number of cars. Let's think about, normally there are 2,130,000 cars on the roads of Wisconsin per day, okay? So if there's a 40% decrease in that 2,130,000 cars, how many fewer cars are driving right now because of the coronavirus? Got that? That's the first step. Second step is think about the CO2, carbon dioxide emissions because of cars. So the average car emits about 4.1 tons of CO2 per year, okay? Now if there are 2,130,000 cars in Wisconsin, how many total tons of CO2 are emitted each year? So a total of 2,130,000 cars each emit 4.1 tons of carbon dioxide per year. How much total is that? And the very last step is how much fewer tons of carbon dioxide will be emitted this year because of the 40% decrease. What's 40% less of that in carbon dioxide emissions? All right, looking forward to hearing those answers. Okay, so fewer cars on the road is going to have a positive environmental impact because of coronavirus, but it's not all positive. So my next question for you is, what might be a negative environmental impact because of coronavirus? Think about all the waste that is being produced right now that might not normally be produced, and how could that negatively impact our environment, okay? And lastly, I want you to think about on Earth Day. Today is actually the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Happy 50th Earth Day, everyone. I want you to think about on Earth Day, what commitments can you do, or how can you use some of this time that you have away from school to commit yourself to working on something that you're passionate about? I'm passionate about the environment, so I'm going to commit to something that is related to the environment, but maybe you have something that you're more passionate about. I want to hear from you. What are you going to use some of this time away from school to be working on something that you care deeply about, okay? Here's my commitment, and I want you to hold me to it. Next school year, I'm going to commit to biking to school more often, okay? And please hold me accountable. If you see me still driving my car to work every day, please call me out and make sure that I am staying true to my commitment, all right? I'm looking forward to hearing your answers to those math problems, thinking about how our environment is being impacted. I want to hear your thoughts on what some of the negative impacts are on the environment. And then I'm really, really looking forward to what commitments can you make to impact something that you're really passionate about, all right? Stay healthy. Looking forward to hearing and seeing from you all soon.